Hey guys, welcome back to a new video. I'm Josh Gibbons and today I'm going to be talking about the 6 entrepreneurs I'm learning from right now. So straight into it, the reason I'm telling you this is because maybe you want to get into business and entrepreneurship and you're just not sure who to choose as your mentors, who to learn from. Well, let me help you out. Firstly, we have Tai Lopez. So the 3 key reasons you should watch him: knowledge, step-by-step tips and value. This is going to come up a lot, but he's got like 2-hour-long videos of him just pure content. Some of them have pictures in, but that is still like after an hour of pure content about business, about living a fulfilled life and more. So definitely start watching Tai Lopez. Next is Becker. If you haven't seen Becker, he is the guy with the sewing machine. He's like, bam, give me 42.5 seconds and I'll show you how to make blah, blah, blah. Shopify guy. He is a software entrepreneur as well. He owns SourceWave, Market Hero, Conquer. I believe he's got a couple more, but I can't remember. So why should you watch Becker? Email marketing, drop shipping, and again, step-by-step pure value. So I've learned a lot of email marketing tips from Becker, and I've put them into action with my own email list. Now, because I don't have Market Hero, I can't track whether I'm making money from the email list, but I've literally had from about 130 people on the list, I've had like 10 unsubscribe. I'm not sure if that's bad, I'm not sure if it's good, but I was just trying it out. It wasn't even a great lead magnet at all. It wasn't a great ebook I made for the it didn't really attract the whole audience I want to kind of appeal to. But I'm just testing stuff out and just practicing, and I learned a lot from Becker there. Thirdly is Stephen James. So Stephen James is Project Life Mastery. He is just a crazy guy, just such an inspiration. I actually love watching him. I'd love to meet him in person as well. And why? 3 reasons. Teaches you how to live a fulfilled life. He has great step-by-step content on business models. And 3, he has free training on his website and blog, projectlifemastery.com. He has a couple of free training series where he goes through his income streams, and he also just talks about how to set up a business, like an internet business, and it's just really helpful. And again, the fact he teaches you and he lives such a positive, fulfilled life is just so inspirational, and I love watching him and implementing what he teaches. So next is Johnny Bradley. So Johnny Bradley teaches everything you ever need to know about UK Amazon FBA as well as entrepreneurship in general. So the reason that I'm watching Johnny is, 1, I invested in his course and I just love his content. It's super helpful. But 2, he's also discussing other income streams. For example, Bitcoin and crypto and affiliate marketing and stuff like that. And I just love the one-to-one help he gives. He'll always answer your question, which is super helpful, and definitely go and start watching Johnny Bradley. And the link to his course is in the description below. If you're looking to make Amazon FBA your income stream and you want to learn how, invest in the course below, guys. So next is Iman Gadzi. So I made a video on him a couple of days ago about exactly why I watch him, but he is again on the list for one of the entrepreneurs I'm watching. He's 18 and he's just turned 18, so he was pretty much 1 year older than me. 6 figures, multiple businesses, social media marketing, personal brand, and he's just crazy to learn from. So I'm really interested in kind of seeing how, with only a year's more experience than me, how he's got so far ahead with 6 figures. That is beyond words. So last but not least is the one and only Tanner J. Fox. And of course I'm watching him because if I didn't watch him, I would never have even started at Amazon FBA. I never would have invested in a course, and literally in a couple of months I'll be starting, and it's all down to him. Now you're probably thinking, what about Johnny Bradley? Of course, I wouldn't have even seen or known about Johnny Bradley if it wasn't for Tanner Fox. So I've got to give it to him there. He sent him to Johnny's way, and of course I've learned a ton from Johnny, but without Tanner I never even would have met Johnny, which is just crazy how these things work out. So again, super valuable content, super inspirational. He always talks about, you know, working smarter over working harder, and he's earned millions and still has time to play Xbox for the majority of the day. So it just blows my mind, and I really want to learn from him. So I hope you enjoyed this video, everyone. Make sure to leave a like and a comment. I'd love to have a chat with you. Subscribe and hit the notification bell for more entrepreneurship, lifestyle, Amazon FBA content, and so much more. So all the links to these guys will be in the description, but I guarantee you already subbed to at least 2 of them. I will see you in the next video.